course, as soon as I turn it on, it don't. There we go. Come on, little baby, come out. You made a big crack that time. There it comes. Here it comes, Mark. Or are we going to take a little rest? It's making a lot of progress. Oh, hi! His dad came in and stuck his little head out.
Come on out, sweetie.
Did I need a nap now?
Come out.
Oh, it's so tired. Good job. It's sleeping. It's trying to breathe too, you know, they just have air. Little feet. Oh my goodness, look how much it's breathing so hard and tired.